When tasked with safeguarding our vital resources, effective security measures are just as important as what is being protected. From our national borders to our biggest events,
to even our future.
VolAero Drone Smart Security is on the watch. VolAero Drones delivers industry-leading smart security solutions that provide real-time situational awareness for high-value asset protection and incident management. Our comprehensive, easy-to-use smart security solutions encompass cutting-edge technology that enables the user to stay in front of any security situation. One of VolAero's key products is the Smart Aerial Monitoring System, SAMS. SAMS is an autonomous drone-in-a-box smart security system that can be deployed remotely from anywhere in the world. No prior drone operator experience is required to execute pre-planned or on-demand missions. These comprehensive smart security systems are currently deployed to critical locations across 4 continents. Why? Because the SAMS is highly effective, rapidly deployable, and easy to use. Each tethered and free-flying autonomous system has multiple camera and sensor payload options to support a variety of security operations. From high-definition, HD, and 4K video streaming, to electro-optical and infrared imagery, also known as EO/IR. The real-time data feed will facilitate immediate ID of a perpetrator or incident. This positive identification and location information significantly reduces emergency response times. The on-demand drone-in-a-box system deploys quickly to provide the invaluable, the eye-in-the-sky perspective needed to address any security threat. As you can see, this advanced, affordable, portable, and easy-to-use autonomous aerial monitoring system can meet any security need. The Smart Aerial Monitoring System can even be deployed from the bed of a pickup truck for mobile operations. VolAero's tethered and free-flying quad and hexacopter drone systems are created from quality military-grade, weather-resistant materials. SAMs are produced to the highest quality and reliability standards and are proudly made in the USA. As the leader in the drone security systems, VolAero will develop the best solution to meet and exceed your mission. VolAero Smart Security. Learn more at VolAeroDrones.com or call 954-261-3105 for more information.